of the world is weeping in the dark. In Tibet where the stone is naked and stark, the white giant is turning into a ghost, while the valleys below are raising a toast. They don't see the blue veins turning to gray, they don't hear the billion gallons slipping away. I'm standing where the clouds used to rest their head. Now I'm walking on the bones of a riverbed. The tower is leaning, the reservoir's thin, the ice is a paper and the sun's looking in. From the heights of the plateau to the fields below, we're losing the rhythm of the ancient snow. The third pole is bleeding, the altar is dry, the water is climbing back into the sky. From the high hidden peaks to the delta's wide mouth, the drought is migrating, it's heading for the south. The heart of the mountain is starting to fail, and we're just the dust at the end of the trail. The snow leopard's path is a circle of fire, searching for winter on a funeral pyre. The yak finds no grass, the eagle no height, the stars are reflecting on a world turning white. It's a silent invasion, no sirens, no sound, just the sound of the lifeblood leaving the ground. I saw a child dipping a cup in the silt, asking why the future we gave her was built on a tilt. The Yangtze, the yellow, the Mekong, the veins are closing beyond. The Indus, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Salween. The water tower is far